We love a good steak, and this two-stepping tenderloin comes with all the fixings. Look at all that color. Beautiful tenderloin steaks are first browned in a skillet, then cooked in the oven, so we have some hands-free time to prep the other pieces, like brown rice. In the last few minutes of cooking, stir in chopped spinach and let it cook together for a few more minutes. Then stir in a spinach pesto and chopped dried cherries, and we have a jeweled rice. Now for that spinach pesto. Process fresh spinach, chopped garlic, Parmesan cheese, and sliced almonds into a paste, and add a little water and olive oil to thin it out. The steak should be out of the oven by now, and it gets a few minutes of rest under some foil so it stays tender and juicy. When we're ready to plate, we'll spoon on the rice, maybe a swipe of pesto, topped with that delicious steak. Give some texture with more almonds, and share it with someone you love.